I wish I'd never come back home. It don't feel right since I've been grown. I can't find any of my old friends hanging around. Won't nothing bring you down like your hometown. I spent some time in New Orleans. I had to live on rice and beans. I hitched through Texas when the sun was beating down. Won't nothing bring you down like your hometown. Home is where the heart is, ain't that what they always say? My heart lies in broken pieces scattered